I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then put on gloves. Once the battery is safe, open the bonnet and locate the horn behind the grill or near the radiator. Mark how the mounting and wiring sit so reassembly is straightforward. Now test the connector with a multimeter on the horn plug to check for voltage when you press the horn. If there's no voltage, note that this points to relay or switch issues, so keep the wiring and relay tools handy. You proceed by isolating the problem. Remove the horn plug and apply 12V directly from the battery to the horn terminals. If it sounds, the horn is good and wiring or relay is the issue. If silent, replace the horn. Once confirmed, unbolt the horn with a socket set, inspect the connector for corrosion, and clean with contact cleaner. Next, test the horn relay and fuse in the panel. Swap the relay with an identical one or test continuity on the fuse. These steps find the fault precisely. You finish by installing the replacement or cleaned horn, making sure the mounting is tight and the horn faces down slightly to avoid water pooling. Reconnect the connector, confirm the ground is solid, and then reconnect the battery negative terminal. Press the horn. If it sounds, make sure all fasteners and clips are secure. If it remains silent, check the relay socket and wiring harness for intermittent breaks, then test the steering column horn switch. This singular troubleshooting tip often fixes elusive no.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.